puppy huggers here.
Hello, girl.
Hello, Mrs.
Sweetheart. Hey, sweetie.
Well, little Lavender says, I'll take hold of your hair.
Yes.
That's why I'm always wearing mine back in a ponytail. Nobody found your shoelaces yet?
Oh, sweetie.
Hello.
What do you have in your mouth? That's my hairband. That's where it went. That's Mommy's. Give that to me. Dad. Come on. Come on, Peanut. Yay. Aren't you pretty, huh? Aren't you pretty? What have you got on your back? They were outside a few minutes ago and you used up all your energy outside. I should have taken video of you outdoors. Are you going to be a circus clown? Yeah, go, sweeties. Every time I squat down to videotape you guys, you end up crawling in my lap. Oh, you have the sweetest faces. Yes, you do. You have such sweet little faces. Hey, who's chewing on my sweater here? Are you guys tired? Did you wear yourselves out outside, huh? Are you ready for your dinner? Yeah. Are you ready for dinner? Pretty quiet in here. What? What? You have your grandfather's face. Coney Warren Jason face. Yes, you do. Hey, leave my little mop head alone. Guys, you're getting too big. You can reach everything. Puppy, 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 peekaboo. You're tired, aren't you, Mr. Blue? All right, you guys, I think it's time to eat your dinner. We're thirsty. Hey, Mr. Turquoise, get out of the bowl. There goes yellow. Mr. Blue, you're gonna go to sleep, aren't you? You're a tired puppy. Says I played hard outside. Yeah, I played very hard. We are 6 weeks old today. Yay, it's our birthday. We had our vaccinations and our medical exam. Yeah, and everybody's doing well. Yeah, 6 weeks old today. It's not a very sunny day, but it's fairly warm. For a Wisconsin winter day, it's fairly warm. And again, we really don't have much snow anymore. A little bit of piles where the plow pushed it up from the driveway. Yeah, oh, but we are such cute puppies. Yeah, such cute puppies. Yeah. And all we need is some rain, and our grass will start growing. That is if we don't get another blizzard, which can happen anytime between now and June. Hey, you two, come here. Come here, cuties. Come on. Come on, cuties. All right, let's go for a walk. Come on, let's play. Come on, puppies. Puppy, puppy, puppies. Looks like some lawn repair to do this spring. Believe it or not, this all becomes a beautiful manicured lawn, which I take great pride in. What? What? Grr. Rough and tumble. This is how they play. Oh, did you guys find a stick? Yeah, they're all over in the yard. We had so many windstorms in November before it snowed. And there's all kinds of sticks that need picking up, yes. Hey, Mr. Blue, are you playing with my boots? Hi. Hi. Miss Lavender. Yep, Miss Lavender, how are you? Huh? How are you, sweet pea? You are so cute. You are. You are just cuties. You're all just cuties. Puppy. Some of you are going to go to Riverstone Kennels, to Whitney's nursery. Yeah. Whitney's going to care for you for a week while I go to Mexico. Oh, a much needed vacation. Yeah, from this Wisconsin winter. I can't wait. I can't wait. And when I come home, you'll be ready to go to your new owners, won't you? Yes. Yes, you will. You'll be ready to go. And guess what? There are 2 litters at Whitney's. Yeah. There are 13 puppies there. So you guys are going to have lots of fun playing outside with all the other puppies. Yep, there's Bryn's litter. And Rosie's litter. And you guys. It'll be so much fun. Inside. Come on. Come on, pups. Come on, let's go. Come on, you've gone potty, time to come in. Puppies, come on, puppies. Come on, puppy, get in here. All right, so much fun to play outside. Nobody wants to come inside anymore. No, there's such a world to explore. We're such curious puppies, and there's so much scent outside. So much fun, isn't there? Yeah, just fun. Fun. Alright. And of course, everybody's in my lap. The minute I squat down, you guys are right in my lap. Come on.